In today's video, we are going to go over your delayed tax refunds, your regular tax refunds, amended tax refunds. We have the next direct deposit date shared and much more. So make sure you stay tuned. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Now let's go ahead and get started. You can check the status of your 2024 tax return. If you e-file your tax return, usually you will see a status update within 48 hours on the Where is My Refund tool on IRS.gov. Now, amended tax returns take up to 3 weeks to show up in the Where is My Amended Return tool on IRS.gov, and that is where you can check the status of your amended tax returns. Amended tax returns takes around 16 weeks to be processed. Now, when can you expect your 2025 tax refunds? Up to 21 days after you e-file your tax return, 4 weeks or more for amended returns and returns sent by mail, and longer if your tax return needs correction or needs further review. Also, the timing of your refund may change if you claim the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. You file on paper, you file an amended tax return, you requested injured spouse relief, you file a Form 1040-NR non-resident alien income tax return. That tax return can take up to 6 months to be processed. You made an error on your tax return. You file with an individual taxpayer ID number, or you have a tax refund of over $2 million. All of these items can delay the processing of your 2025 tax refund. Now, if your 2025 tax refund was not what you expected, it may be because the IRS corrected your tax return, and if they made any corrections, they will be sending you a notice via mail. And you can also check for digital notices on the Where is My Refund tool when you log into your IRS account. Now, if your tax refund was lost or stolen, you can initiate a refund trace using the Where's My Refund tool, or you can call the IRS directly at 1-800-829-1954. However, if you file married jointly, you cannot initiate a refund trace using the automated system. You have to download and complete Form 3911 taxpayer statement regarding tax refund, or you can contact the IRS to send you Form 3911 in order to initiate that refund trace. Now, if you receive a paper check instead of direct deposit, this means that the account is not under your name, your spouse's name, or it is a joint account, or your bank rejected the direct deposit, or you requested more than 3 electronic tax refunds to be deposited into one account. These are the reasons why the IRS will send you a check instead of your tax refund via direct deposit. Now, if you get a tax refund that you're not entitled to, make sure you return it to the IRS as soon as possible. And don't forget, you can check the status of your 2025 tax refund 24 hours after you e-file your tax return, 3 to 4 days after you file a prior tax return, and 4 weeks after you file a paper return. And you can use the Where is My Refund to check the status of your tax refund using the Where is My Refund tool. The IRS updates the tool once a day, usually overnight. And for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is June 16, 2025 and June 23, 2025. You can check the status of your direct deposit using the Where is My Refund tool, as well as your IRS online transcript. And make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive a next direct deposit date, or if you have already received your 2025 tax refund. Now, for your amended tax returns, we have a sample amended tax return here. This amended tax return was received February 19, 2025, adjusted May 2nd, 2025, and completed June 2nd, 2025, and that is around 15 weeks, and the IRS states that they can take up to 16 weeks to process your amended tax return. So as you can see, it all depends. This particular amended tax return is still in process. It was received April 23rd, 2025. It was adjusted June 6th, 2025, and that is around 4 weeks of processing so far. Still time to go. Make sure to share with us if you did receive an update for your amended tax return, how long the process has been for you. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.